Okay everyone, we're going to produce one more formula on this page, and that is to compute the cost per calendar day right here. Okay, what do I mean by that? Well, there are 90 days in this quarter, so what we want to know is, for example, 28,249 divided over 90 days. What's the cost per calendar day in this quarter? Okay, so that seems easy enough. We type equals this cell divided by 90 days, right? Should I have typed 90 there? No, because if someone comes in here and changes that 90 to a 91 or a 92, this formula will not change. So, click on the cell. And we get our cost per calendar day for this total here. Now, I get the same problem I had earlier when I was dragging a formula down. I'm going to drag this formula across, and I get a big problem, because when I drag B16 over B3 across, it becomes C16 over C3, and of course if you look in cell C3, there's nothing there. Alright, so again, I have to come up here and do an absolute address, but this time not on the row, but on the column of B3. Why? Because I'm pulling to the right, not down. If I pull down, the rows are subject to change. If I pull to the right, the columns are subject to change. Sometimes I'll have to pull both to the right and downward, in which case I may have to worry about whether I want to hold the rows still or the columns. But in this case, I'm only pulling to the right. The only thing I have to worry about are the columns. Now, B3, I do not want its columns to change, but in B16, I do want the columns to change, so I'll leave that one alone. Alright. Now I'll drag it across, and voila, I get these all in dollars. Notice here, however, this shouldn't be here. 1 cent. I dragged it out too far. There we go. That's exactly what we need. Now, what you need to do, if you like, is repeat this for Q2, Q3. Our next lesson will be how to deal with the summary. Thank you.